And we're recording.
Sweet. Ready to go? Alright, you have the safety off, right? That's good. So this thing is running it wet right now.